Hello, my healthy people. Quarantine day number 30. Some of us might be in the forest, hiding. Some of us maybe are still at home. But no matter where you are, I will cook for you. And I will show you how to cook, even outdoors. So today is a special edition. It's a little chilly outside, but the fire is going. A little sneak peek. What's to come? So today we are cooking a pork picnic or pork shoulder, just like our ancestors did it. I'm gonna burn wood to the charcoal, and from there we are going to roast that beautiful piece of meat. It's gonna have all the flavor, all the smoke, everything done naturally. Simple. Burn the wood to the coal, and the coal is gonna cook for you. It's a long process, difficult process. You gotta be here for another 4 hours. So if you're down for it, I will help you. I will show you step by step how to get there. Enough of talking. I gotta get back in before it gets burned. All right, I'm out. I'm back to my meat. Stay healthy, my friends.
Whenever I work with a bigger piece of meat, I like to brine it, especially when you're going to roast it over the flame. Brine brings up the flavor, tenderizes the meat, and the dry herbs inside leave the great aroma. Perfect brine, it's a beautiful harmony between sweet and savory. So let's start with dissolving salt and sugar in a warm water. Add the dry herbs and set aside to cool down. Roughly chop your fruits and vegetables and throw it in the pot. Don't waste your time on perfect cuts. The size does not matter in this case. Additionally, you can smush your fruits and veggies for them to release more flavor into the brine. With a very sharp knife, score the thick skin so the brine can penetrate that chunk better. Cover the meat with cold brine and let it marinate for 24 hours. Alright, we are back to business. As you see, I drained the meat, pat it dry, and apply oil, salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Now I'm gonna show you how to tie it up. Since the pork picnic is a combo of a few different muscles, you have to tie it up together so it cook evenly and it's not gonna fall apart while we roasting. Tying meat, it might be a little tricky in the beginning for you. You start with the first loop on top, tie it very tightly. And then you just repeat the process all the way to the bottom. Make sure you have roughly 1 inch spaces between, so the meat is nice and even. Tying technique is very important. Without it, you won't be able to balance your roast on a spit properly. So take your time, do it right and tight. When you made it to the bottom, flip the meat. Cut off enough of butcher's twine. Flip your meat and thread the twine through every loop. All the way to the top. And then flip the meat again and tie up that piece to the first loop you started with. And there you have it, and you're done. Time to impel this bad boy. For that, I'm using universal heavy-duty rotisserie kit with a clearance up to 40 pounds. It also comes with electric motor, but today I will be the motor. By the way, it's easier to balance your roast if the spit is in a vertical position. Okay, we're ready to go. Now we're gonna enter my favorite part, the roasting. I'm going to start with burning a lot of wood and creates a lot of coals. You want to bring your meat to the room temperature before you actually start roasting. That's why I'm letting my meat hang over there, waiting for the coals to get hot and ready. Alright, coals are looking hot and ready, time to drop that meat. And of course, if you guys want to see how I build this beautiful setup, please check my fire pit rotisserie chicken video. Now, it's very important that you will keep burning wood on the side and create more coals as you go, because as you see, 2 hours in and I'm almost out of coals. Bourbon! I love cooking with bourbon. Sometimes I even put in the food. Additionally, mix some bourbon with barbecue sauce and smother the bad boy. Do it in the last hour of cooking, roughly every 20 minutes. Now this, I like to call it a chef's perk. You want to taste your meat first, so there's no surprises at the table. Of course, let's not forget about the camera girl, in this case, camera wife.
Oh my god.
Controlling wood burning coals for 4 hours is not an easy task, but with practice, you will become a pro. "160 on the clock, we are here." Meat is not quite ready yet. Remember, the bigger piece need to be rested. This one I recommend about 20 minutes. Look at that beautiful piece of meat. Looks flavorful, juicy, and I can't wait to eat it. Guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel for more content. See you next time. Subscribe to the channel now.